Stakeholders. What are the stakes? What's at stake? Who's staking claim to what? Who's left holding the stake? From a design perspective, there are some unexplored dimensions to the conventional understanding of stakeholders. The American philosopher and professor of business administration, R. Edward Freeman, is considered the father of stakeholder theory with his work, Strategic Management, a Stakeholder Approach, which was published in 1984. In short, it's a method for organizations to make decisions based on what is agreed to be important relative to the relationships inside and outside of the organization. Numerous charts elaborate on the dynamics around who the stakeholders are and seek to clarify what is important to them to indicate the center of gravity for making key decisions. For design, the center is the user of the product. User satisfaction being the bedrock to making the right design decisions. Every business has a facet of design that influences customers. If we consider design itself as a stakeholder in the organization, then by the definition of a stakeholder, it has an interest or a concern in the organization. That concern is for design to produce a competitive business outcome. The designer's role is to affect the organization's actions towards producing effective design by setting design objectives as business differentiators and policies towards delighting users in the experience of the product or service. These design objectives and policies serve to increase the quality of the organization's customer experience as a whole. R. Edward Freeman emphasizes ethics and decision-making in the practice of business. This applies to an organization's approach to the design of its products and services, which manifests in how customers are brought into the design process before, during, and after design elaborations into producing the best outcome for the user. Design is a central stakeholder of the organization with a unique accountability to create and increase customer loyalty. What are the stakes? Gaining new users or losing existing ones? What's at stake? The product thriving or dying? Who's staking a claim to what? Designers stake the claim of accountability for the business succeeding in continuously meeting users' needs through design.